Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add video grids in Canva. In case you want to add multiple videos in your one design or your one frame in Canva, this is very easy to do. And in order to achieve this, grids is the perfect solution. So to do that, you want to go ahead and ensure that you have your canvas here, whether it's in a blank canvas or you create a video or whatever it is that you want to achieve. You can just get started with the grids. So you go ahead and click on elements on the left side and scroll down on the browse categories and you will find grids. You click on grids and find something that works for you. In case your design does not look, let's say, perfect for that size, you can go ahead and resize your current design to find something that actually works for videos. I'm going to just choose the option for YouTube intro because this actually works and we can resize the design and you will see right away that it's going to resize it. And so, yeah, it gives us a perfect sizing that we can work with because we know that it's going to look properly. Then from here, you go down to grids and you'll be able to find grids available to you that you can find something that works. So in this case, I'm going to just work with this one here. It's basically split in two, or you can use something else. It's really up to you, depending how you want. And in terms of the videos, you can find the videos that you want, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on videos right here and just find something. Let's type in selfie because I want to use something that works. So maybe this one, I can use this. And as you can see, this looks cool. And in this case, I'm going to just work with this one as well. So you get the general idea. And so this is how you can easily go ahead and achieve, let's say, multiple videos in the same frame in Canva by using grids to have two videos or multiple videos showing in the same frame. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.